Is the online statue feature not working on the Threads app? If your active status isn't showing, you can't see when others are online or the online statue setting isn't being saved. In this video, I will show you how to fix online statue on Threads app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Threads. Then here in this page, you will click on the sign of profile on above here, or this sign here. Then you will move to above. After that, you will click on privacy, and then here we'll choose online statue. Then you will choose your managing of online statue if you want to followers who can see it, or anyone or no one. So please don't forget support us. So this is how it works. Please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.